Breaking news. Cannabis overdoses are now equal, if not greater, to the deaths of people being gored by unicorns. Anyway, so I go into my mail today and someone has mailed me some larvets, some bugs, some mealworms, and I don't know who it was, and yeah, no, it was mailed to me. It's not somebody else's mail. But anyway, so I was mailed some larvets, and I'm going to eat them because it's a worm snack, and they're Mexican spice. And I don't know why they were mailed to me. I don't know who mailed them to me. I bet it was you, Ben, wasn't it? Fucking nerd turd. Anyway, we're going to eat these. I'm going to eat these. And yeah, no, that was really sent to me. Let's see how these are. Let's see. How the fuck does this open? You got it. Alright, so it smelled like peanut butter, but now it smells like a bait shop. Yeah. Alright, so and alright, so Mexican spice and ingredients: larva, maltodextrin, sugar, salt, spices, monosodium glutamate, a whole bunch of other things. Natural smoke is a flavor on there. But yeah, number one ingredient, larva. But yeah, larvets. And we're going to eat them. And now I used to work at a pet store, so maybe it's just a run-on joke because I've eaten these before because I was the reptile guy. Whatever. It tastes like street corn. It tastes exactly like street corn. Who makes this shit? Hot Licks? Really? Anyway. Okay. Happy Valentine's Day to me. Woo! I got some worms. I guess it beats the alternative. At least I didn't get herpes. But anyway, so larvets. Whoever sent them, you're a dick. I hope you're watching this and get a laugh because I definitely ate your joke. And whatever. Watch out for unicorns. They'll gore you. Stick to cannabis. Or don't. Whatever. It's legal now, right? I don't know. Fuck it.